Go for a walk for 10 minutes and during the walk, breathe in and out through your nose. Walk at an intensity whereby you can maintain nasal breathing, and remember of course what your nose is for. All of the functions employed by the nose versus no function employed by the mouth when it comes to breathing. Enjoy your walk. The air hunger at first might be a little bit stronger. If the air hunger gets a little bit too much, just slow down the pace. But whatever you do, stick with nasal breathing. Bring light, slow and deep breathing into your walk. You're much better off taking fuller breaths and less of them than breathing fast and shallow. So you could, for example, think of it this way. Bring your attention to the area around the diaphragm, and as you breathe in, you feel your diaphragm moving downwards and you'll feel your tummy is coming out a little bit. You'll feel your sides moving out. As you breathe out, the lower ribs are moving in and your tummy is moving in. So it's breathe in, belly gently out, and breathe out, belly gently in. With regards to the pace of your breathing, to breathe in for about 3 seconds and to breathe out for 3 seconds, or if you feel comfortable, breathe in for 4 seconds and out for 4 seconds. Nose, slow and low breathing for the duration of your 10-minute walk, and enjoy it. Today, take a walk for 20 minutes, and during the 20-minute walk, walk at a pace that's fast enough, but at the same time, you can maintain nasal breathing. If the air hunger gets a little bit too strong, just slow down the pace. Most importantly is that you breathe in and out through the nose for the duration of the 20 minutes. The nose is moistening, is warming, is regulating volume. Nasal breathing helps to increase oxygen uptake in the blood, and nasal breathing also helps to increase oxygen delivery to the working muscles. Your recovery post-physical exercise is much better when you breathe through your nose. You're also more likely to enjoy your 20-minute walk. You're getting so many more benefits when you breathe through your nose during your walk versus breathing through an open mouth. If you think of what mouth breathing does during your walk, mouth breathing causes the airways to cool, to dry out. Mouth breathing is involving faster breathing using the upper chest. You're not getting the benefits of nasal nitric oxide, nor are you drawing the air into the lower regions of the lungs, where the greatest concentration of blood flow, so that oxygen can transfer from the lungs into the blood so readily. The benefits during walking all accrue to nasal breathing. Try and walk alone, or at least if you do have a partner and you're going for a walk, maybe make a commitment that you're not going to talk so much during the walk. If you talk during the walk, you run the risk of breathing through an open mouth. So maybe for your partner, he or she will get many more benefits breathing through their nose during their walk as well. After about 10 minutes, when you're nice and warmed up, you will notice that your breathing will be steady even though it's faster. Your body is warmer, and at this point, settle into the breath. Go faster. Maintain a relatively fast walking pace, whereby you can sustain nasal breathing. You will find it a lot easier to walk fast with the mouth closed after you've done a reasonably good warm-up. So use the warm-up, the first 10 minutes of your walk, as a preparation. And then the last 10 minutes of the walk, use it as a means of pushing yourself, challenging yourself, ramping up that heartbeat, feeling warmer, and possibly even drawing a little bit of sweat. At the end of physical exercise, always recover. During the walk, always remember the mantra of light, slow, and deep breathing. Light breathing is about feeling air hunger. Air hunger signifies that carbon dioxide increases in the blood, and as carbon dioxide is increasing in the blood, you are desensitizing your body's reaction to carbon dioxide. You can use your physical exercise with your mouth closed as a means of helping to improve your breathing patterns. Because when you have a reduced sensitivity to the buildup of carbon dioxide, your breathing is naturally lighter and slower. Naturally lighter and slower both during rest, during physical exercise, and also during sleep. People with a low Bolt score, they have disproportionate breathlessness during physical exercise. So for example, if your Bolt score is 10 or 15 seconds, you might have to go that little bit slower. However, with practice, as your Bolt score increases, your ability to go harder and faster during physical exercise also improves while maintaining nasal breathing. As your Bolt score increases, you will also get much more enjoyment out of your physical exercise. There's something very rewarding about doing physical exercise, challenging the body, driving up the heart rate, increasing the respiratory rate, feeling the warmth throughout the body, maintaining nasal breathing. Towards the end of your walk, you can start slowing down your pace to recover, and with this, breathe low and to breathe slow. So in terms of bringing down the heart rate, it's all in the exhalation. And if you're taking a soft breath in through your nose, allow a prolonged and relaxed exhalation. So during physical exercise, you're settling into your breathing. Your breathing will become more regular, and keep relaxing into your breathing and relaxing into your body as you move. Have this 20-minute walk as a time out to devote to yourself. Take your attention out of the mind and feel your breathing as often as you can throughout the walk. Take your attention out of the mind and bring your attention into the body. Walk with every cell of your body. So from the top of your head right down to your toes, disperse your attention throughout the body. Every foot strike, feel the movement of your feet against the ground. Every breath, bring your attention onto the airflow entering and leaving the body. Push your body. Push your body to a point that you have that air hunger, but regular breathing at the same time. Good breathing control, in and out through the nose, is what it's all about. Towards the end of physical exercise, start slowing down your breathing. Slowing down your breathing in and out through the nose is a great way to recover. You'll also find that your recovery is much better with nasal breathing during the physical exercise than with mouth breathing. Take a normal breath in through your nose and just slow down the exhalation a little bit. And every time that you slow down the exhalation, you're helping to bring back down the heart rate to recover. Enjoy your 20-minute walk, nasal breathing, light, slow and deep breathing.